How to unpin a pin on Pinterest on mobile. This video teaches you how to remove a pinned post from your Pinterest profile page. Number 1. Open Pinterest. It's a red app with a white, stylized P on it. If you're logged into Pinterest, doing so will open the home page. If you aren't logged in, enter your email address and password, then tap Login. Number 2. Tap your profile icon. This is the person-shaped button in either the bottom right corner of the screen, iPhone, or the top right corner of the screen, Android. Number 3. Tap a board to open it. You can remove pins from within your selected board. Number 4. Tap and hold a pin. Doing so will prompt a cloud of options to appear. Number 5. Drag your finger to the edit icon. It's the pencil icon between the push pin and paper airplane icons. Then release your finger off the screen. The edit menu will appear. Number 6. Tap delete. It's at the bottom of the screen. Number 7. Tap delete to confirm. You'll see this option pop up at the bottom of the screen. Tapping it will remove the pin from your Pinterest page and return you to the board's main page.